I love how easy to use it is and how scalable it is. Being a mesh networking technology, we don't need to have one for everyone and have everyone close to each other. We can scale this out, we can leverage aerial assets, we can leverage strategic locations with high points and really stretch the range of capabilities.
Our operators can stay in consistent communication with each other in unsafe situations.
What I like most about the product is how small and affordable it is.
I like the product because it's lightweight and it's easily adaptable to current technology.
Simplicity, it's just very easy to use, and it's not like a lot of other products that are over-promising and under-delivers. It does what it does very well.
It's like a light bulb goes off in their head because they're probably at the same level that we were in 2009 when they're walking through cities or walking through areas with zero connectivity, to instantaneously be able to give a frontline report of where you're at and where your soldiers are at back to your commanders is really game changing for those guys.
I like how close it is to the mission. I've spent my entire career supporting national security in a variety of different roles in companies doing lots of different things, and so often you are so far removed from actually having a direct impact. Whether you're supporting R&D or things that are farther out, really important, but it's hard to connect the dot between what you're doing and actually helping someone, prosecuting the mission. With goTenna, we put a device in the operator's hand that they're immediately going to use in the field.